Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to do is unbox this random booster pack. This is volume 22 and there are 8 Beyblades. Well, there's only one Beyblade in this pack, but you can get one of these Beyblades. So these both Achilles are prize Beyblades, right? One is attack and one is defense type, and I really want the attack because I like the colors, right? So if we look at the back, it shows all the parts, they're combined. But right, for the prize Beyblades, it's like all spread out. So right here it shows like the chip, and then the ring, right? And then this is the attack ring. Right, and then right here we have the black Achilles, but it comes with the defense ring, which I think is cool, but I like the attack ring more because I don't like when the Beyblades just sit in the middle. I like them attacking over and over again. But I also like how they made 2, so that is really cool. And then, yeah, so I'm going to open this up. Hopefully I can get Achilles with attack. Okay, so I opened it up, and this is what I got, right? So this is there. It is really cool, and I like the colors. I like the blue and light blue. That goes really well together. And then I like how, right here in the middle, and then there's the eyes for the Avatar, right? But I don't know who this is. It looks like a Fornius right now. So, comment down below if you know what this is. And then next, we have the 9 disc. This looks pretty cool. It looks like it's supposed to be on Genesis Bang, right? And then next we got the driver, right? Rubber right here. So, I think you can get some, good attacks with this, right? And then these are the stickers. So it would add green to it, which would make it really cool. And yeah, so I'm gonna put these stickers on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I put all the stickers on, and wow, it looks so much better. It just went from blue and dark blue to adding green, and then making it look awesome. So I think the stickers made a huge impact on the way how it looked. Right? Looks really cool. And then here I added the stars to the ring or the disc, right? And on the driver I added the sticker there, right? And then it looks really cool together. It's really hard to put together though. It keeps falling apart when I try. Okay, so I just did it, right? It looks big and then it gets thinner, so I think that's weird, but still, the colors, they all look good together, so yeah. Let's go test battle. Okay, so we're on to the test battles, and I found out his name. It's actually Super Saiyan X Extreme 1S. It's a pretty cool name, I know. So I did some test battles with him before I did this video, or I went to the battle part of this video, and he's not good in big arenas because his stamina is horrible. So I might be using this this stadium because it's a little smaller, and it will be better for him. And then we're going to do 2 test battles with him. The first one we are going to do is him versus Zillion Zutron, right? And then next we're going to be doing it against Archer Hercules. So we're going to be doing it against Zillion Zutron first to 2 points. Yeah, so let's start. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1. Oh! That's 1 point to Super Saiyan Extreme. Right. Okay, that's 1-0. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at this! Oh my god! Look at him going around that arena so fast. He went around so many times. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he jumped. Oh, okay. Oh, burst finish! Oh my god. I mean, Zillion Zeus is easy to burst. I mean, right? But, so, Super Saiyan won that battle. 3 to 1. Right, next we're going to be doing it against Archer Hercules. So, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was hard hit. Oh! Dude, it like hit him once and then it went around him and then hit him again. That was really cool. Okay, so it is 1 to nothing. Super Saiyan. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh, again! He got hit again! The same thing happened. Archer Hercules got handed the same pocket. So that means this guy 1, 2 to nothing. Totally demolished him. Right? So I would really try and get this guy instead of the prize Beyblade. He is way better. Right, okay, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you hit that like button. Hit share this, please. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.